What is going on? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I actually got a dead cat for my microphone since it is so damn windy in Amarillo. Let me show you what that looks like on my phone so you guys can see yourselves. Maybe it's in the shade. I know it's hard to see. Boom, there you go. So I used to have one of these on my old microphones, but I upgraded microphones a long time ago. Then I stopped using the microphone, then I started using the microphone again. Needed a dead cat for it. As you have seen or heard in my previous videos, whenever it's windy out here, the microphone really picks it up badly. So finally got a dead cat for it. Let's get into today's video. Ooh, Mustang! Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Damn, Dave, you look like Bucky Lasek or Tony Hawk out there. I know, but I'm actually not good at all. I just actually use the skateboard when I'm riding around at like car shows and stuff for filming. Anyways, I want to finally take the Mustang out, but I wanted to start this intro so I could show you guys kind of the microphone. But we're really going to test out the microphone tonight when it gets to about sunset. I want to take the Mustang out, get some footage of it, get some film of it. I'm really trying not to take a lot of photos of it because it still has the Hellcat wheels, which I know they look decent on there, but they're way too oversized for this car. So we are gonna wait till sunset, around sunset, somewhere in there. We're probably gonna actually drive the Mustang to the gym, and then when I'm done at the gym, should be around sunset, which is like 8:30 to 9 o'clock here, and then we can take it out, try and get some footage of it, test this new microphone dead cat out, put the GoPro on the car, get some cool footage of it, and I'll see you guys over there. Always come prepared. You never know when you run out of E90. I really need a hood, guys. I mean, I have one. I just really need to cut it. It just looks so crazy without the hood. It wouldn't look as bad if the exhaust was trimmed a little bit. It wouldn't stick out so obnoxiously, but would you just look at it? How's the car without AC? Not that bad, man. Not that bad. So a turn of events have occurred in the video. I was gonna just drive around, do maybe like a couple small pulls and test out the dead cat on the microphone, maybe hook up the GoPro, but as you can see, the GoPro is on and Branson is actually supposed to be on his way. We're gonna do like a small pull. I think we may only do like 1 or 2 from 60. The problem is that these are turboed cars, so mine especially, I've got a big single turbo, it's real laggy, and he's got twin, I think they're 62s or 64s, and so his is laggy too, but it's a little bit, spools a little bit faster than mine because he does have the smaller twins, so we're not quite sure what roll we can do. The good thing is we have the same transmission, so the gearing should be about the same. So Branson's headed on his way here. We'll kind of figure out, I think we're gonna try like a 60 roll at first and then see what happens. The problem is I'm still on the 20-inch ET Street SS's. Branson has upgraded to the beadlock 17-inch ET Street R, so he is definitely going to have traction on his side. I do have a small weight advantage, being that I don't have a passenger and I think his girlfriend Alyssa's gonna come. And you know, I've got the lightweight wheels on the front. I don't have a hood, but I don't think I'm that much lighter. I mean, he does have leather seats and it's a premium package, so we will, I think that's him calling me. We will see what happens, but yeah, I think we're gonna try like a 60 roll and we'll see how that goes and we'll try from there. Now here is the kicker. We're gonna go on wastegate pressure. So his wastegate pressure, I believe is 7 to 7.5 pounds. My wastegate spring pressure is a little over 8. I think it's like 8.5. And I'll be able to know once we do a run, I'll be able to tell you guys exactly what it is, but I believe mine is right over 8 and his is right over 7. So I'm gonna have a pound of boost on him, but we're just gonna do a wastegate pressure spring pull and kind of see how it is from there, because we can't really turn these cars up on the street, especially not mine with the 20-inch SS. They just don't do too well. So let's go meet up with Branson. Please note that today's events have happened in Mexico and were digitally rendered and never actually happened in real life. Cheated! He kicked his passenger out. Hey, what are you doing, cheater? So Branson's, like I said, it's like exactly 7, right? Little over 7.
Like 7.3.
Yeah, and I think mine is like mid 8, maybe a high 8, but I'll be able to tell you once I get on it. So yeah, I'm gonna change my boost controller. I'm pretty much gonna turn the boost controller off down to 0. He's gonna take some pressure out. I already took some pressure out the other day. I might take a little
35
more.
pounds.
Oof, these were on 40 when I almost died. So, what size are your turbos? 62 or 60? What are they?
64, 67.
Oh, okay. He does have the big boys. This guy's 64, 67. He's trying to race me. God dang. So I thought Branson would have a passenger. I'd have a little advantage, but he locked it. You want to call it? Me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the first run, yours just downshifted, I guess? Yeah, you had it in 4th.
I had it in 4th and I hit it and it downshifted to 3rd and it fucking hit hard and it like downshifted as it hit boost. And
yeah. I'm telling you, the hardest thing with these cars is beginning to hook. Like, I was still spinning. I wasn't spinning like crazy. It's like controllable, but you can feel it skating back there.
Yeah.
So, you gonna try a little more boost?
Yeah, I'll turn it up to 2 and see what it does.
We need,
I'll
yeah,
try
you
to
need,
watch it.
you need to just see what it does, yeah. So he doesn't know, he's got 4 different settings, but we're not sure what boost pressure is on the next settings. So he's gonna try level 2. I'll just keep mine where it's at. I mean, I could go to 10, which is like...
Could be 8 pounds or it could be 10 pounds, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a crazy jump though. So yeah, if it's 10, well, I mean, just try and watch it. All right, so the next run, I'll stay on my 8. I'm gonna watch it to see exactly, but it's somewhere in the 8s. And then he's gonna turn his up. We don't know. We'll find out after the run.
Might be 16, who knows?
Hopefully level 2 is not 16. You would think it would go in chronological order, but we're about to find out. Please note that today's events have happened in Mexico and were digitally rendered and never actually happened in real life. 55. So we pull up, and look who's out here. Mr. Z06 himself, the fastest naturally aspirated Z06 in the Panhandle, Skylar Johnson.
About now, man, there's some smoke coming.
Woof.
Fuck all that, hey.
Give me the sauce.
Loud?
Nah, not like yours.
God
dang. What? Hey. Bye, Branson. All right, I thought we were gonna get the chance to run Skylar, but I guess he's really low on fuel and he's got to get home. So we will run Skylar in a future video. He does have a Z06. It makes right at like 600 of the wheels, all motor. And you got to remember, the Z06 C6 Z06 is the lightest vet ever made. It makes good power. It's a fast car. I used to play around with it when I had my Hellcat, and that thing could keep up when I was stock. He could beat me, and then when I first modded my Hellcat and just did like upper pulley and meth, it was a pretty close race if my car was hot. So pretty crazy. That car runs freaking good. So hopefully we'll catch Skylar on a future video, but those are some videos of Branson and I running. The first one, I was on 8.3 pounds of boost, I figured out, and he was only on about 7.3, so I had about a pound of boost on him, and I do have a little bit of weight advantage. We're actually gonna weigh the cars coming up soon so that we can see the weight versus mine versus his, because I do have some things taken out, but I do have a heavy ass turbo kit, and so does he. He's got twin turbos, full exhaust, leather interior, navigation, and he has an ice tank, which adds a lot of weight with the lines and the extra water. So we're gonna weigh the cars in a future video so you guys can see the weight difference, because I think that did play a role for sure. On the second race, I was at 8.3 and he was like right over 8. Like, we were pretty close in boost pressure, so that's kind of a comparison for you guys. So that's an LPF twin turbo car. Obviously he can make more, obviously I can make more, so we can both turn them up, but I think they're pretty close cars. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit like on this video, the big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one.